Yeah, welcome back to this channel. I do hope you enjoyed the last video. Yes, you may think we didn't achieve much, but it's because I want to take you step by step in a real-time video. So, what will happen today is that we'll proceed from where we stopped in the previous video. But before then, don't forget to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button below so that you get notified anytime I post a new video on this channel. So let's dive right in to the tutorial for today. As you can see, what I'm doing here is still shading and blending using the 2B and my soft mounted brush. It's simply some of the things we did in the previous video. So just come along with me and let's see how we can grow together. Notice, as I said in my first tutorial, not the welcome video, I told you that you have to learn how to balance your pressure, and that is very essential when you are using the back and forth arching method so that you achieve a very good result. Maybe in the course of this video, I'll show you the final result of this piece so that you don't get bored and think, oh, what exactly are we doing? So in the course of this video, I will show you the final results so that you'll be motivated and know that okay, we are not playing, we are not just joking. And I'm sure if you follow all these tips, you'll find out that in no time, just little time rather, you'll find yourself improving. So you see, blending with brush, no pressure. You don't need pressure in anything for this piece. As long as you can balance your pressure well and shade in layers, you'll be good to go. So just come along with me. Let's see. Making use of the charcoal pencil. For some of you that have asked questions concerning the charcoal pencil, yes, this may not look like a comprehensive teaching about the charcoal pencil, but you can learn one or two things from here. Also, making use of the circularism and in some sense scribbling, but in layers also, not just going dark all at once. Though the area is very dark, as you can see, just make sure you do that in layers also. And don't forget that when you want to draw your own eye, you may not want to do exactly this because it was not as if I was really following something here like that. Though I had a reference, but I had to modify so that I don't have some duplication. So you can follow this or get yourself a reference picture, a very nice one, and just draw what you see. That's the cliche. Draw what you see, that's art. And then at some point you can decide to modify when you are satisfied. Okay, yes, I've done this, but I want it to be unique in some way. You can decide to modify. You notice that I'm not even making use of lines even in this regard of drawing the upper eyelid. I'm still making use of the scribbling method. That's what you find out, because I don't want to make use of lines in that so that I don't end up creating a cartoon rather than a realistic drawing. You find out that the camera is so close to the dress. I want you to see how it looks like when you finish shading without blending first. I want you to just have that feel so that you don't apply unnecessary pressure and think you're not getting it right. Also, in the comment section, you can let me know whatever it is that is confusing in this video, or at the end of the video, you'll see my social media handles. You can draw your own reference, draw your own eye, making it of the reference, and send to me. I will be glad to check through and correct you in whatever will need to be corrected or even commended. That's how it works. That's how we grow together. And if you think, oh, there's something I could have done better in this video also, do not to notify me in the comment section. I'll be glad to receive that also. So that's me blending the first layer with the tissue paper, still lightly without pressure. See, I'm going in the circular form, then I decided to go in like the arching way. But basically, when you want to use the tissue paper, make to be very good for you to make use of the circulating pattern, even in blending with the tissue paper. Now, to go to the next layer, don't forget you have to follow your reference picture. If you haven't seen part 1 and you're seeing this right now, click the link in the description box. That will take you to the first part where we started the drawing. You'll find that there and you follow through. Don't also forget to tell your friends and other artists that you know that are just beginning and wish to learn well. Tell them about this channel, Shade Right. We are here to grow together. So at this point, let me just briefly and quickly show you the end result as I promised earlier. Yeah, you can see that now. So that's where we are going in the next couple of videos that we're posting real time. So I'll be rounding up this video for today. I'll post the next one at the appointed time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, drop your comments, share the link with your friends, and I will be glad to see you in the next one.